Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a table in our web page. Alright, so we're going to start from scratch right here by creating the table. Alright, so we're going to put web page right here. Then we're going to come right web page dot html. Alright, so we're going to click right down here. Alright, we're going to create it. We want to click right here on the desktop and then click on create file. Alright, so definitely this is what come up. So we're going to put in our tag now. So HTML. Alright, press enter. We're going to put in the heading. Just the same. Put in the head. We're going to close it. Alright, press enter again. We're going to put a title in between. So we're going to close it. Alright, so we're going to click down right here, press enter. So we're going to put in the body now. We're going to close it. Press enter now. So this is the basic now up here in the title. We're going to put tables. Good. So right in between here, so now we wanted to put tables, right? Definitely. Alright. So we're going to put in the table attribute right there. And then we're going to close it like that. So we're going to put another one again, table, like that. Follow carefully. Space the space. We're going to type red border now. Alright, and then when you add the border now, we're going to put the equal. You notice the two quote in the middle already. You're going to put one right there. And then at the end, you're going to put the greater than sign just like that. Alright, good. So notice you have one heading already. So this, you can actually delete what this one. Alright, so you have the next one. You press enter and go down now. Now we're going to say TR. Alright. So this is what you're going to actually look at it. You notice? You press enter. So in between it, we're going to put TH. So this is what we're going to actually do to get the table. Alright. So within this particular table, definitely what you wanted to do, definitely. Right, so I'm going to put Excel in it so far. Let's go back. You're going to press enter again. So put at the same TH. Close back the table. Alright, so we're going to put word. So this time is that table creating. Alright, get this to the end now. We press enter. And then we go back again. On the TH, we're going to close the table. Just the same, we're going to write the code right now. Just the same. Alright, good. So now we actually finish this particular section right here. We actually have a table right here. So we're going to save it like that. Then we're going to minimize this so far. So this is a view the web page. I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click. What will happen? I'm not going to click on open. I'm going to click on open with. I'm going to click on Google Chrome. And then you see exactly how my web page actually look like. Definitely with the Google Chrome on the table. Right. So if there's any little issue within the particular table, you will see exactly what's really taking place, right? So now as you can see right here, our web page is actually processing, right, coming up nicely. So you will see the different stuff, right? So I want you to pay close attention as soon as it's processed right here. Then you see exactly what it look like, what it's all about. Alright, if you notice right here, you show that actually in the table, just the same. Alright, so if I go back to my web page right there, and I wanted to add a different section, I press enter right there. I'm gonna put TR, close it. I press enter, the TH, close it. So I'm gonna put something again, input, device, just like that. So I'm gonna press enter again and go down. TH this time around, close it. So we're gonna put output, just the same. We're gonna press enter again, press TH. We're gonna close it. Right, I'm gonna type the word software in it. Just the same, I'm gonna save it and use exactly how my web page look like. Right, so I'm going to bring up like this. So what you wanted to refresh. Notice how the table look like. Yes, it's very important. Alright, let's bring it up. And if we continue to add, you see exactly what really take place within this particular section. Alright, so we're going to put one more layer. So what we can do now, we can actually copy this section by blocking out this area. Right click and then come right down here, so copy. Alright, so press enter. They can actually paste it. Hold on, let's go back again. Let's put back a mistake was made right here. Let me undo that. Alright, good. Let's look at this one now. Good. Press enter now. I put the cursor right here. We're gonna right click. Put paste. One thing after, just change whatever inside of this. Alright, change it. Alright, for this one, gonna change it also and put in something else. And for the next one, we're gonna show the same thing. Yeah. Now we're gonna save it. And then we're gonna see exactly what's going on and refresh it. Good, so notice. But when you see this right up here, means that that's actually left off something. So let us go back and see what we actually left off so far. Alright, if you notice right up here, alright, let me sort the, alright, so put that one right here. We're gonna save it, and then it's supposed to move, but no. You notice it's still there, but I'm gonna click refresh. Alright, you notice it move? It's because one of the bracket was actually moved. So this is exactly how we actually create a table right here in our web page. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.